Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to fix the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Bluetooth pairing issues. Connection issues are unfortunately reality of wireless headphones. Gone are the days of the headphone jack on smartphones, which means you'll want to familiarize yourself with troubleshooting your Bose headphones. If you are experiencing any connection issues such as the headphones not reconnecting to your phone, not switching between devices, or connection dropping out or stuttering, try these troubleshooting steps. Step number 1, ensure the headphones are charged. Step number 2, power the headphones off and back on again. No matter the technology, this tried and true method is undefeated in the world of troubleshooting. Step number 3, remove the headphones from your list of paired devices and repair them. And step number 4, factory reset the headphones. You can do this by pressing the volume up and down buttons simultaneously for 15 seconds until the power light blinks white for 3 seconds. You can then repair the headphones to your device. If this doesn't solve your connection issues, it may be an issue with your source device. Try borrowing some wireless headphones from a friend to make sure the problem is with your headphones and not your source device. That's it. Thanks for watching.